So before we get underway with what to do in your filmmaking, let's just say a quick word about what to avoid in terms of the films you're going to make. We want to avoid crap audio, crap video, losing the stuff that you record, hoovering around endless tracking shots, and we want to avoid basically boring stuff, yeah? Stuff that's going to bore either you're just kind of holding the camera thinking, oh, do I really want this or don't I? Or that's going to bore the people when you finally put the films together, okay? Those are the things we want to avoid in our filmmaking, because if you do all of that, then basically it's negative reinforcement. You know, your skills are not going to improve, your films are not going to improve, and you're going to have that horrible feeling that you're imposing on people when you show your films to them. Isn't it going to be so much better if when you show your films to them, they actually really laugh, they enjoy it, they're warmly there, and you know you've got it right when you actually say nothing and people are engaged with the film. That's the moment when you know that you've actually made a great little film. Okay, let's move on.